Very good morning, my dear student. So, next set of MCQ of your NEET paper solution 2016. On screen, question number 156. Which one of the following statement is not true? Okay, let's read out the options which are given. Option number 1, tapetum helps in dehiscence of anther. Is this statement true? Bolo, is this statement true? Tapetum helps in dehiscence of anther. What is the function of tapetum? The function of tapetum is to provide nourishment to developing your microspores. Yes or no? Yes. If I am talking about dehiscence of anther, this function is performed by your endothelial cells. Yes or no? Yes. So first statement is not true, so 156 answer number 1 is going to come. However, let's read the another options too. Exine of pollen grain is made up of sporopollenin. Yes, it is true, right? It is the toughest substance, so we can pollen can act as fossil. Yes or no? Yes. Pollen grain of many species cause severe allergy. Yes, this is also true. Stored pollen in liquid nitrogen can be used in crop breeding program. Yes, this is also true. So 156 answer number 1 is going to come, which is not true. Okay, let's read the second question 157. Which of the following would appear as an pioneer organism on bare rocks? चलो बोलो, bare rocks पे कौन होगा pioneer organism? Pioneer organism are the one who occupies that location for the first time. सबसे पहला organism है ना, that is called as an pioneer organism. And question ask you about your bare rocks. तो bare rocks में सबसे पहले कौन आया था? It's lichens. Yes or no? Yes. Options क्या है? Lichens, liverworts, mosses, green algae. So what answer is going to come? It is your lichen. Am I clear? Okay. Next question 158. Which one of the following is starter codon? Okay, dear students, chapter number 6 molecular basis you have understood about genetic codes, right? जो कि यूनिवर्सल होते हैं, है ना? We have also understood start codons and stop codons. Yes. If we are talking about start codons, तो start codons कौन सा है? It's AUG, which codes for amino acid methionine. Yes or no? Yes. Whereas देखो ऑप्शन में क्या दिया है? UGA, UAA and UAG are your stop codons. ठीक है? So what question asks you about start codon? That is AUG. So 158 answer number 1 is going to come. Next question. Which one of the following characteristic is not shared by birds and mammals? Okay, birds and mammals जो characteristics share नहीं करते हैं, that thing. Ossified endoskeleton है भाई दोनों में. Breathing using lungs ये भी दोनों में है. Viviparity, is this common? Is this common in both birds and mammals? No. Birds, if we are talking about, तो वो तो oviparous है. Yes or no? Who lays egg. Whereas if we are talking about mammals, तो there are some mammals which are oviparous and there are some mammals which are viviparous. Yes or no? Yes. तो viviparity, dear student, is not shared by birds and mammals. Okay. Warm blooded nature. Yes, ये दोनों का है. But what question ask you not shared by birds and mammals? जो कि birds oviparous होते हैं, mammals can be any one of two, right? So your answer number 3 viviparity is going to come. So 159 answer number 3 viviparity. Next one 160. Nomenclature is governed by certain universal rule. Which one of the following is contrary to the rule of nomenclature? Okay, dear students, if we are talking about your nomenclature, scientific names, है ना, तो binomial nomenclature specifically we are talking about, तो हमने पढ़ा था. It was given by Carolus Linnaeus. Yes, and उसके कुछ rules regulation we people have seen. Let's read the statement. First statement क्या है? Biological name can be written in any language. अब ये तो गलत है भाई, है ना? Biological names in the sense we are talking about scientific names. Scientific name should be written italics. Yes or no? It should be printed in italics. ऐसा कुछ हमने पढ़ा था. Yes, okay. So first statement is wrong, तो वही आंसर है. However, let's see the another options too. The first word in biological name represent D. Genus name true. Second is specific epithet true. तो सेकेंड स्टेटमेंट करेक्ट है. द नेम इज रिटन इन लैटिन एंड आर इटैलिसाइज्ड. यस, इट इज ट्रू. इट शुड बी लैटिन इन ओरिजिन एंड इफ इट इज प्रिंटेड it must be in italics, right? When written by hand, the names are to be underlined. Yes, this is also true, है ना. तो 160 आंसर नंबर 1 इज गोइंग टू कम, क्योंकि ये गलत है. Which one of the following is contrary to the rules? Contrary पूछा है. Okay, so 160 answer number 1, biological names can be written in any language, is going to come. 161, blood pressure in pulmonary artery is. Okay my dear student, blood pressure देखो solution में दिया गया है. blood pressure in different blood vessels. artery में सबसे ज़्यादा, in comparison to arterioles, in comparison to capillary, in comparison to venule and in comparison to vein. मतलब vein में सबसे कम होता है, artery में सबसे ज़्यादा होता है. ओके, तो चलो देखो, blood pressure in pulmonary artery is same as that in the aorta. aorta क्या है? वो artery है, right? more than that in carotid, more than that in pulmonary vein एंड लेस देन दैट इन वेना केवा. आर्टरी का तो ज़्यादा होता है, तो फोर्थ ऑप्शन इज नॉट गोइंग टू कम, राइट. चलो ऑप्शन नंबर 3 क्या है? मोर देन दैट इन पल्मोनरी वेन. यस, पल्मोनरी आर्टरी में ज़्यादा होता है इन कंपैरिजन टू योर पल्मोनरी वेन. एम आई क्लियर? यस. तो 161 का आंसर नंबर 3 आएगा. ओके, चलो नेक्स्ट. 162, cotyledon of maize grain is called, okay, monocotid, and cotyledon is called as scutellum. We know this thing, right? First option plumule, second option coleorhiza, third option coleoptile, fourth option scutellum. Okay, so cotyledon of maize grain is what we call as scutellum. coleorhiza, coleoptile क्या है? It's a covering of radicle and plumule respectively. What is plumule? Which gives rise to, yes, shoot, right? Okay, so 162 answer number 4, scutellum is going to come. Let's read question number 163. In the stomach, gastric acid is secreted by the oxantic cell. option है क्या? नहीं. oxantic cell is also called as parietal cells. Okay, so let's read the options which are given. gastrin secreting cells, parietal cells, peptic cells, एसिडिक सेल्स. कौन सा ऑप्शन आएगा? parietal cells. yes, which is also called as oxantic cell. okay, so 163 answer number 2. 164, depletion of which gas in the atmosphere can lead to increased incidence of skin cancer? चलो बोलो. nitrous oxide, ozone, ammonia, methane. what is going to come? it's ozone, O3 है कि नहीं? ozone is present in stratosphere which protect us from UV radiations from sun. yes or no? अगर इसका डिप्लीशन हो रहा है तो it leads to skin cancer or cataract. am I clear? yes. so 164 answer number 2, ozone is going to come. 165 बहुत easy question है ये. chrysophytes, euglenoids, dinoflagellates and slime mold are included in the kingdom, बोलो, protista. yes or no? yes. okay, कौन से ऑप्शंस हैं? Monera, protista, fungi, animalia. तो what will be your answer? it is your protista. am I clear? yes. so 165 answer number 2. next one, 166, water vapor comes out from the plant leaf through the stomatal opening. Through the same stomatal opening, carbon dioxide diffuses into the plant during photosynthesis. Okay, reason out the above statements using one of the following option. Okay बेटा, ये क्वेश्चन हमको क्या कहता है कि स्टोमेटा विच इज प्रेजेंट इन लीफ, एपिडर्मिस ऑफ लीफ, वी नो दिस थिंग, है ना. तो स्टोमेटा से क्या होता है, ट्रांसपीरेशन. व्हाट इज ट्रांसपीरेशन, लॉस ऑफ वाटर इन फॉर्म ऑफ वेपर, वी नो दिस थिंग, राइट. सो वाटर वेपर भी स्टोमेटा से निकलता है. And if we are talking about exchange of gases, that is CO2 and O2, this also occurs by means of stomata. So stomata is responsible for removal of water vapor, I can say, and for exchange of ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड गैसेस, है ना. तो हमको पूछा क्या गया है, वी नीड टू रीजन आउट द अबाउ स्टेटमेंट यूजिंग वन ऑफ द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शंस. लेट्स रीड द ऑप्शंस. Both processes cannot happen simultaneously. Okay, option number 2, both processes can happen together because diffusion coefficient of water and carbon dioxide is different. Okay, statement number 3, the above processes happens only during night time. Option 3 तो गलत है ना. Fourth one process occur during daytime and other at night. This also not be the proper reason, है ना, ये भी गलत है. चलो, let's understand. Both processes cannot happen simultaneously. होती है ना, होती है. Yes, there is loss of water vapor. There also occur exchange of CO2 and oxygen at the same time. ऑप्शन नंबर 2 हमको क्या कहता है, बोथ प्रोसेसेस कैन हैपन टुगेदर बिकॉज डिफ्यूजन कोएफिशिएंट ऑफ वाटर एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इज डिफरेंट. यस, दिस इज द प्रॉपर रीजन कि वाई by means of stomata there occurs transpiration as well as exchange of gas. बेटा जो डिफ्यूजन कोएफिशिएंट है वाटर का एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का वो डिफरेंट होता है. Am I clear? Diffusion coefficient of water and carbon dioxide is different and therefore, right, the process occurs by means of stomata along concentration gradient. Yes, it occurs along concentration gradient, right? So 166, answer number 2 is going to come. Okay, let's read out question number 167. In mammals, which blood vessel would normally carry largest amount of urea? अरे भाई देखो, अब if we are talking about urea, तो यूरिया की जो प्रोसेसिंग है वो कहाँ पे होती है, इट अकर्स इन लीवर. Okay, it occurs in liver. We say it as an ornithine cycle. What we say it as an ornithine cycle, dear student, which occurs in liver, है ना. तो liver में हो रही है, तो it is but obvious that the vein who comes out from this liver must have largest amount of urea, है कि नहीं. Yes, let's read out. renal vein, ये तो किडनी की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे. dorsal aorta, नहीं, हार्ट इज इन्वॉल्व इन दिस. हिपैटिक वेन एंड हिपैटिक पोर्टल वेन, है ना. तो कौन सा आएगा, हिपैटिक वेन. सो 167, आंसर नंबर 3, हिपैटिक वेन इज गोइंग टू कम. नेक्स्ट, सीड फॉर्मेशन विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट इन्वॉल्व द प्रोसेस ऑफ, चलो बोलो, सीड फॉर्मेशन विदाउट फर्टिलाइजेशन इन फ्लावरिंग प्लांट. सो दैट इज एपोमिक्सिस. यस, वी नो दिस थिंग. Sporulation, budding, somatic hybridization and apomixis. So 168, answer number 4, apomixis is going to come. Apomixis, what do you understand by the term which mimics sexual reproduction? So in sexual reproduction in flowering plant, what is the end product? Seed. Yes or no? Yes. तो यहाँ पे भी seed बन रहा है but without fertilization, जो sexual reproduction को mimic करता है, and that is apomixis. Simple as that. 169, which of the following is wrongly matched in the given table? गलत मैच पूछा गया है. चलो, ट्राइकोडर्मा पॉलीस्पोरम प्रोडक्ट साइक्लोस्पोरिन ए एन इम्यूनोसप्रेसेंट ड्रग. यस, दिस इज ट्रू. ऑप्शन नंबर 2, मोनोस्कस पर्प्यूरियस स्टेटिन्स लोअरिंग ऑफ ब्लड कोलेस्टेरॉल, ये भी ट्रू है. Streptococcus streptokinase removal of clots from blood vessel, this is also true, है ना. ऑप्शन नंबर 4, what is given, Clostridium butylicum lipase removal of oil stain. Dear student, ऑप्शन नंबर 4 यहाँ पे गलत दिया है. क्वेश्चन इज फ्रॉम माइक्रोब्स इन ह्यूमन वेलफेयर, है ना. क्लॉस्ट्रीडियम ब्यूटिलिकम इज यूज्ड इन प्रोडक्शन ऑफ ब्यूटेरिक एसिड, not in removal of oil and statin. Am I clear? Okay, so option number 4 is wrong given over here. Removal of oil, lipase, right? This is obtained from your Candida lipolyticum, from Candida lipolyticum, है ना. So 169, answer number 4 is going to come. 170, in a test cross involving F1 dihybrid flies, F1 dihybrid flies पूछा है, more parental type offspring were produced than recombinant type offspring. This indicate, चलो ऑप्शन रीड ही मत करो. क्वेश्चन क्या पूछा गया है, टेस्ट क्रॉस किया, राइट, F1 का, F1 डाइहाइब्रिड फ्लाइज का, पेरेंटल कम्बिनेशन ज़्यादा मिले, रिकम्बिनेंट्स कम मिला. व्हाट दिस इंडिकेट, चलो बोलो. जो भी जीन्स होंगे दे आर लिंक्ड and they must be present on same chromosome, है ना. Now let's read the statement. Statement number 1, the two genes are located on two different chromosome. Wrong. Chromosome fail to separate during meiosis. Wrong. Two genes are linked and present on same chromosome. True. Right. So 170, answer number 3 is going to come. Let's read option number 4, both the characters are controlled by more than one gene. नहीं, ये भी गलत है ना. सो 170, देखो, वी हैव अंडरस्टूड लिंकेज, है ना. पेरेंटल कम्बिनेशन अगर ज़्यादा मिल रहा है, रिकम्बिनेंट्स अगर कम मिल रहे हैं, तो जीन्स आर टाइटली लिंक्ड, right? In no condition they wants to separate from each other, so number of recombinants produced will be less. So 170, answer number 3 is going to come. 171, it is much easier for small animals to run uphill than large animal because they are having high basal metabolic rate. Simple as that. Okay. Option 1, it is easier to carry small body weight. Not appropriate answer. Smaller animals have higher metabolic rate. Yes, this is true. राइट डियर स्टूडेंट, जो छोटे एनिमल्स होते हैं दे आर हैविंग हाई बेसल मेटाबॉलिक रेट, राइट, एंड डियर स्टूडेंट दे कैन रेजिस्ट मसल फटिग. ओके, सो 171, आंसर नंबर 2 इज गोइंग टू कम. लेट्स रीड ऑप्शन नंबर 3, स्मॉल एनिमल्स हैव लो ऑक्सीजन रिक्वायरमेंट. नहीं, ऐसा नहीं होता. द एफिशिएंसी ऑफ मसल इन लार्ज एनिमल इज लेस देन इन स्मॉल एनिमल. ऐसा भी नहीं होता. Okay, simple as that. Small animals have high basal metabolic rate. That's it. 172. Which of the following is not characteristic feature during mitosis in somatic cell? Okay, mitosis के बारे में पूछा है. Let's read out. Spindle fibers बनते हैं. Disappearance of nucleolus, ये भी होता है mitosis में. Chromosome movement, ये भी होती है. Synapses. What is synapses? Synapses is nothing but pairing of homologous chromosome which occurs in meiosis, not in mitosis. So not a characteristic feature पूछा गया है. So 172, answer number 4, synapses is going to come. Okay, चलो next one. Which of the following statement is not correct? Not correct. Okay, चलो let's read. Pollen grains of many species can germinate on same stigma of a flower, but only one pollen tube of same species grow into the style. क्या है statement? Pollen grain of many species. Is it so? Wrong. First statement ही गलत दिया है. We know कि pollen grain of that particular species can germinate on stigma of flower. Yes or no? Yes. So first statement is wrong. So 173 का आंसर क्या आया आपका? आंसर नंबर 1. चलो देखो सेकेंड ऑप्शन. Insects that consume pollen or nectar without bringing about pollination are called pollen or nectar robbers. Yes, ये true है. Pollen germination and pollen tube growth are regulated by chemical component of pollen interacting with those of the pistil. Yes, we have understood pollen pistil interaction. Some reptiles have also been reported as pollinator in some plant species. Yes, reptiles भी pollinating agent हो सकते हैं. So 173, आंसर नंबर 1 is going to come, जो कि गलत है, not correct पूछा है. Okay. 174, Specialized epidermal cells surrounding the guard cells are called subsidiary cells. Yes, option number 1, complementary cell, subsidiary cell, bulliform cell, lenticels. कौन सा आएगा? Subsidiary cells. Okay, so 174 answer number 2, subsidiary cell is going to come. Next one, which of the following guards the opening of hepatopancreatic duct into duodenum? This is sphincter of Oddi. है कि नहीं? Yes, hepatopancreatic duct opening into duodenum is regulated by which sphincter? Which guard? That is sphincter of Oddi. Correct. So let's read out the options. Semilunar valve, ileocecal valve, pyloric valve and sphincter of Oddi. So what will be your answer? 175. Answer number 4, sphincter of Oddi is going to come. Semilunar valve कहाँ पे होता है हमको पता है कि नहीं? इलियोसिकल वाल्व, पाइलोरिक वाल्व, वी नो दिस थिंग. चलो 176. Stems modified into flat green organ performing the function of leaves are known as Opuntia and Euphorbia. We people have understood under modification of stem, and this modification is called as phylloclades. मैंने बोला था please do not confuse between phylloclades and phyllodes. Phylloclades are stem modified to perform function of leaf, है ना? तो 176 का आंसर क्या आएगा? आंसर नंबर 3, that is phylloclade. But if I am talking about phyllodes, Australian acacia we people have understood under the same. Phyllodes में क्या होता है भाई? petiole gets modified to perform function of leaf. Okay, so 176 answer number 3, phylloclade is going to come. 177, the primitive prokaryotes responsible for production of biogas from dung of ruminant animal include the, चलो प्रोडक्शन ऑफ बायोगैस पूछा है, आर्ची बैक्टीरिया का कुछ ये क्वेश्चन है ना? हेलोफाइल्स, थर्मोएसिडोफाइल्स, मिथेनोजेंस एंड यूबैक्टीरिया. व्हाट आंसर इज गोइंग टू कम? 177 मिथेनोजेंस. यस और नो? यस. ओके, so 177 methanogens is going to come. Answer number 3. 178, a river with an inflow of domestic sewage rich in organic waste may result in. Okay, river है, river में बहुत सारा domestic sewage which is rich in organic waste डाला गया है. तो what could be the possible reason? क्या हो सकता है? Dear student, अगर ऑर्गेनिक वेस्ट ज़्यादा है, राइट, तो दिस विल रिड्यूस डिजोल्व्ड ऑक्सीजन. ओके, जो भी ऑक्सीजन होता है इट गेट्स रिड्यूस्ड, एंड इफ ऑक्सीजन गेट रिड्यूस्ड द organisms which lives in water, right, they may die due to lack of oxygen. Okay, now let's read the options which are given. Drying of river very soon due to algal bloom, increased population of aquatic food web organisms, and increased production of fish due to biodegradable nutrient, death of fish due to lack of oxygen, है ना? So as I said, if river is having very high proportion of organic waste, है ना, तो it will reduces dissolved oxygen which in turn causes death of fish or any other organism, right, living under the water. So 178 answer number 4 is going to come. Next one, 179, a cell, just a minute, a cell at telophase stage is observed by a student in a plant brought from the field. Okay, he tells his teacher that this cell is not like other cells at telophase stage. There is no formation of cell plate, and thus the cell is containing more number of chromosomes as compared to other dividing cell. This would result in, okay, स्टूडेंट ने क्या लाया है फील्ड में से? सेल एट टीलोफेज स्टेज. टीलोफेज प्लेट नहीं बन रही है, राइट, देर इज़ नो फॉर्मेशन ऑफ सेल प्लेट बेसिकली आई कैन से. तो नंबर ऑफ क्रोमोजोम इज मोर. ओके, ऑप्शंस देखो क्या दिए गए हैं. एन्यूप्लॉइडी, राइट, फिर क्या दिया गया है? पॉलीप्लॉइडी, देन इज योर सोमा क्लोनल वेरिएशन एंड पॉलीटिनी. वी नो कि भाई number of chromosome is more, इसका मतलब polyploidy is the case. Yes or no? Yes. So answer number 2, polyploidy is going to come. Yes or no? Yes. So 179, answer number 2, polyploidy is going to come. A typical fat molecules is made up of fat molecule. It is 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid. Triglycerides हमने पढ़ा था, है कि नहीं? Yes. So let's read out the option. 3 glycerol molecules and 1 fatty acid molecule. 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecule. 1 glycerol and 1 fatty acid molecule. 3 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecule. What will be your answer? 1 glycerol and 3 fatty acid molecule, and that is your option number 2. So 180, answer number 2 is going to come. And my dear student, here we have completed your one more paper of NEET, right? 2016 paper we people have seen. 2016, 2017, 2018, 2019. These 4 papers we people have seen, and most of the question are from our NCERT book. Direct question are from our NCERT book. So please, सबसे पहले योर वर्क इज़ टू डू NCERT लाइन टू लाइन. अगेन एंड अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग, है ना. NCERT बायोलॉजी के लिए NCERT बुक अच्छे से लाइन टू लाइन कर दीजिए, राइट. सो दिस इज़ ऑल फॉर टुडेज सेशन. We will meet in next session with next paper. Bye everyone.